Okay, today we're going to do our for a video. I'm doing my auto repair. 2016 Kia Sedona, and we have a headlight out on the side, and we actually picked the wrong side and started working on it. So be careful that you look at the lights and make sure you do the side. We had the right. I was taking the light bulb out on the right side, and it was actually on the left. So that's your first step. Be careful. Okay. Okay. Now this is the light bulb you have to get. See, so it's this little bulb right here. And so but the AutoZone guy told me, do not touch this part. It goes at 500 degrees. If you touch that part, it'll have a weak spot, probably break loose, the gas will come out, and your bulb will go out. The correct side, it's the right side. And if you try to get my hands in there, it's kind of hard to do it. So Emily's going to do her hands, show her hands. Okay, now what you have to do first is take the outside cover. So she's going to take the outside cover off by pulling up on the lever. I think we can do this. There we go. Looks like it. Maybe. Oh.
Wait.
Keep going, keep trying. There you go. Maybe you go down on the lever. Okay. All right, so we got if you have the person with small hands, she can reach in there and turn it and pull it out, and here we go. Here it's coming out. There you go, just like that. There's your bulb. Okay, it looks like now we're trying to get the light bulb out. We think it just comes out and there's a tab attached to it. We're trying to see if we can get that out, pop it off. There we go. So it just pops off just like that. And now we'll get the other one and put it in. Okay, now we have the new bulb. Be careful not to touch the glass. Align the tabs, and we're aligning the tabs, and we're going to push it in. It just clicks right on in, and now we're going to try to put it in. Okay, now we're trying to take it in, put it in again. So we're doing our best to slip it in and turn it when we get it in there. See, you got to do this by sense of feel. Get it in and turn it the opposite way you turned it before, and it should feel it go on in. And there's the click, it's in. So evidently some people say that you have to remove this cowling and all these snaps, and then you can back the light back out and get to it. And for me, that would have been the case. I just could not work with my hands in here, but luckily I have someone in the house that has small hands who could do it quite well, and she did well. So now we're going to put the outside cover on, but first we're going to check the light to make sure it works. Now, there's the outside cover. It's going back on, and we're going to turn it up. Kia Sedona. I think the later models are pretty much the same, but I didn't check that out, so it might be pretty much the same. The difficulty, of course, is getting your hand behind where that cover is. You might have to, if you have, regular adult male hands, you're going to have to try to take all this stuff off. But we managed to do it, and that saved time, and we've replaced the light bulb. So there you go. Hope this video is useful. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. I might do more of auto videos, but my other videos are other things. Right now I have music and some just history videos, which I'll try to improve on as time goes on. And I'm also starting a podcast too. I'll let you know about that.